Welcome to India, a land where culture, adventure, and history blend into a mesmerizing journey. From majestic monuments to mouth-watering cuisines, here's a list of the top 10 things every tourist should experience in this incredible country. Start your journey with the iconic Taj Mahal in Agra. This white marble masterpiece is a symbol of love, best admired during sunrise or sunset when it glows with a magical hue. Next, dive into the vibrant streets of Delhi. Explore the busy bazaars of Old Delhi, taste delicious street food, and visit stunning landmarks like the India Gate. The capital city is where ancient and modern worlds collide beautifully. For adventure lovers, a wildlife safari in Ranthambore is a must. Spot the majestic Bengal tigers in their natural habitat and soak in the rugged beauty of Rajasthan's wilderness. Unwind on a traditional houseboat as you sail through Kerala's serene backwaters. Enjoy the lush greenery, local village life, and the taste of authentic Kerala cuisine, a true escape into tranquility. Witness the spirituality of India in Varanasi, the ancient city on the banks of the Ganges. Experience the mesmerizing Ganga Aarti, a sacred ritual of lights and prayers that will leave you spellbound. If you're a nature lover, trekking in the Indian Himalayas is an unforgettable experience. From gentle valleys to towering peaks, every trail is an adventure waiting to happen. India is a food lover's paradise. Taste spicy curries, street food delights, and sweet treats from every region. Each dish is a story of flavor, history, and culture. Join the joyous celebrations of India's festivals. From the lights of Diwali to the colors of Holi, the country's traditions come alive in a burst of energy, colors, and happiness. Feel the sun on your face and the sand between your toes on the beaches of Goa. Whether it's a party at a beach club or a peaceful retreat on a quiet shore, Goa has it all. End your adventure in the pink city of Jaipur. Wander through vibrant bazaars, shop for handicrafts, and bring home a piece of India's rich heritage. It's the perfect way to remember your Indian journey. Here are some quick answers to common questions about traveling in India. What should I wear in India? Modest and comfortable clothing is best, especially in religious sites. What are the visa requirements? Most travelers need a visa, which can be applied for online or through an Indian consulate. How do I get around in India? Trains, buses, and flights are popular options for getting around. Auto rickshaws are great for short trips. When is the best time to visit? October to March is the best time for most regions, but the Himalayas are great in summer too. How do I handle money in India? The local currency is the Indian rupee, INR. ATMs are common in cities and card payments are widely accepted. India is a land of endless wonders and experiences. Pack your bags and let Indian Panorama be your guide for an unforgettable journey. Discover India like never before.